Hey guys, what's happening? Greg here with our unscripted reviews, and today we're talking about rice. I know, super exciting, right? Well, not just any rice, low carb rice. So we have two low carb rices that are out there. The first one is cauliflower rice. I found that you either love it or you hate it. But there is Miracle Rice. Now, this video was shot at the end of December, so there is going to be a little adjustments there. And as I mentioned in our previous sampling video, where we talked about this the first time, we're doing this in January. So the editing is done on this. Our friends kind of collaborated and helped us, somewhat against their will. Some of them were a little camera shy. Overall, though, it was a fun video. Glad we did it.
Thank you for watching our unscripted reviews. Feel free to like and subscribe.
So we're going to make both of these tonight, and we're going to try them out with our friends. They don't know this is going to be a keto-approved diet exactly, but we're going to get a sampling from each of them on what their thoughts are on these two different types of rices tonight. So that'll be fun. They don't know yet. Okay, so this has a very strong smell. And I think that if I didn't know it was already going to have a strong smell, it would freak me out. But it actually specifically says on here that it has a strong smell. So I think we're okay. And it says it's supposed to dissipate shortly. So I'm sure Stacy hasn't read that. So honey, come over here. All right, take a big whiff. What do you think?
I don't want to. But I can smell it from here.
Yeah? What does it smell like?
Old dead people.
Old dead people. That's a great...
Are we eating formaldehyde?
Did you read the bag?
No.
No, it says this is normal. So that's all the water we got out of it. This is rice in the water. So there wasn't really that much water actually in there. So interesting. It says rinse rice in cool water for 10 to 15 seconds. The plant aroma is normal and will go away fully in the next step. We're rinsing the rice. We're gonna just go ahead and do one of these numbers. So I want you to pick this up and take a big whiff of it. Still smell?
It's like really old algae.
Stop saying the F word on video!
I can't help it. It's gross. It looks like...
What does it look like? Tell us. What?
It looks like silica beads, absorbed water.
Silica beads.
Like the little things that you find in packaging so that it absorbs the moisture. That absorbed all the moisture.
Oh, you're thinking of the little pouches they put in?
Yeah, silica
that you're
beads.
going to eat out of your beef jerky bag?
And that's probably why it smells, because we're eating friggin' silica beads.
No, I don't think it smells because
it certainly does not look like rice.
It doesn't look like rice, does it?
No.
It looks kind of like gelatin.
Rice implies an oblong shape.
But we have to boil it yet. We haven't boiled it, so let's try that next.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're doing the cauliflower in the microwave. That looks like the easiest instructions. 3 to 5 minutes. I'll put it in for 4, and we'll see how the cauliflower rice comes out. Alright, so I got the cauliflower rice here. Took it out of the microwave and added some butter to the bottom. And I just added a little bit of butter and some salt, garlic salt to it. And just kind of letting it kind of incorporate here. As you know, the fats are going to help. So I'm just going to let it warm up a little bit. It was kind of still a little cold to come out of the microwave, so I could probably gone for the full 5 minutes, but I only left it in it for 4. So we'll give that a try. Meanwhile, our Miracle Rice over here, we're at a regular bowl, so we're going to go ahead and add that in now. All right, 2 minutes. Going in. Give it a little stir. All right, 2 minutes and counting. All right, 2 minutes. So after we dry this off, there's still a little smell here. But I think after we complete this, it probably will go away. So now it just wants us to return this to a hot pan. So we're going to go ahead and put it back in our pan. And we'll bring this over to the stove. And we'll just keep that on low heat. And basically the idea here is just to try to dry this out. I went ahead and switched to a bigger pan so I had more surface area to work with. So we can kind of watch this as it dries a bit. All right, let's have Stacy do our smell test again. So we're 2 steps in now. We've rinsed it and we've cooked it in boiling water for 2 minutes. And this is what it's looking like.
It still looks like silica gel.
What about the smell? It's not as bad, right?
Bad, but it still stings. It looks
Still
like it's burning.
It's not burning, it's just drying. See?
Why is it brown?
Because it's got oil in it.
I'm nervous to taste that.
So
It almost looks like
we're just trying.
caviar too.
It looks like fish eggs, huh?
Yes.
This will be fun. Just kind of drying it out to get the surface area, so it's.
That's really kind of grossing me out. I need to walk away.
Did I mention Stacy's a picky eater? And a little garlic salt. Trying to get the flavors of these about the same. So, and then you can see my traditional rice up here, which my friends would totally kill me if I didn't make that, specifically Corey. So, here you go, Corey. Making sure you have some regular rice too, not just a science experiment.
All right, so here are our first
Victims
of the Keto Rice approved taste test. So if everybody wants to try the brown one,
These are all like off brown.
what's it taste like?
I can't chew it. It's avoiding my teeth.
That's not rice.
Grating my teeth.
All right, let's try the next one.
It's called Miracle Rice.
I don't like Miracle Rice.
We like
Okay.
that rice.
That is Miracle Rice.
All right, let's try the next one.
Next
This
one?
This one,
Yeah.
oh, the cauliflower rice.
Yep, that's cauliflower rice. Dan does not like it.
Good thing he tried it before you told us cauliflower.
I like it when I make it.
All right, let's try real rice.
Okay.
And then the real rice.
I like the cauliflower one. I don't like how it's a little too sweet for me.
The cauliflower rice is sweet.
Those two are nasty.
The first one you can't eat. Like you bite down and it just goes like
Oh, that's
splits
so
around your
creepy.
tooth.
I don't know if I can
Have you
handle
tried
that.
it?
No.
I really thought you were. I thought you
I'll
were
be doing it on
feeding
screen
me.
too.
I don't like
I thought you were feeding me fish eggs. In all
I know,
honesty.
that's why when it first comes out and he rinsed it, I said it looks like silica gel.
What is Miracle?
Real rice is good. Broccoli rice is nasty.
Look in the
Broccoli?
cupboard behind you. Literally there are
Whatever
5
the heck it
packs.
is, it's gross.
No, you have to come around and try them.
Right there. Alright, so now I get to try this, and Greg is going to have to try it too. I am not looking forward to this. This is the Miracle Rice that smelled like, what did it smell like? Dead old people?
Dead old
Really
people was
old?
your-
Long dead? I don't
long
remember.
dead old people who rotted twice or something
I don't
like
remember
that.
what else they
You were
said.
very creative in your description.
Yeah, it just came out. I feel like I'm eating rubber.
You can't eat it. It voids your teeth. Are you having the same issue?
Hey, I was
Or am I
eating,
crazy?
eating rubber. That
Yeah.
sounds like Julie might be here.
You know that scene in National Lampoons where they're like, he's chewing on the Jello and he's like,
Yeah, that's what it.
That's what it's like.
Yeah.
that's what I feel like.
But
Yeah.
there's no calories.
Yep. And
Oh,
then
there it is.
okay, and there at the end.
Yeah, not good. Nice, nice.
Oh, where's my water?
Sorry,
Camera.
you're on camera right now. Yeah, and you just said I'm gonna have to bleep that out.
Saying, hey, take off your
Let's
coat.
see it. Come on, let's try the nasty. Let's try the nasty
No,
rice.
I don't want
number
to.
two.
This smelled like nasty old butt and feet.
I love
Old
cauliflower
dead
rice.
people is
Where's the
worse than
camera at?
old dead feet.
So if you do that,
Not as
with
bad as I thought it was going to
Not
be.
as bad as you thought it would be. So cauliflower
I
rice.
still taste the cauliflower.
Yeah. Well, you put it over
It
something
needs a
else.
hell of a lot more seasoning.
It's one better than the fish eggs.
This morning
Rice.
for
What?
That I
Did
can
it burn
eat.
down?
That I can't eat
The
unless
lights
we
turned
gotta
off
figure
when
out
I walked
something
in.
else. Because that's
I don't
weird.
think we can de-rubberize it.
It's weird.
So this is cauliflower rice. Yes. Can you see the cauliflower chunk up? I also like cauliflower
No, I
rice, which is
can't
just the-
actually, Brat.
Put it in your mouth and chew it.
You're up.
I've already had this stuff.
You haven't had the Miracle Rice.
What do you think of it?
Don't really want to try it either.
Yep, you gotta try it.
No, I don't.
You gotta try it.
No,
I'll try it, but
I mean, what did you try first? The cauliflower? It's not bad. I couldn't eat a lot of terrible, it. Yeah.
Like
it's-
Try the
Maybe
fish
that's
egg
the
rice
point.
now.
I think that is.
No, I don't think I'm gonna try the fish egg rice.
it's not
You gotta
fish
try
egg.
it.
No, it's not. It's
You have a
just
spoon?
it's so great.
Carly,
It's called
can you
Miracle
grab another
Rice.
spoon, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
It smells 20 times better than it did when it was first opened.
No, I can't do the texture of that one.
I ended up just having to swallow it.
Quitters are quitters, swallow!
Can you just give me water? Water.
Oh, that's terrible.
No.
Weird. Just swallow it.
You see the camera or no? Okay, good.
It's not recording.
I love it.
Cauliflower, I don't
You're
like.
the
I don't like
do you
it.
have?
I still don't like it.
You gotta try it. You haven't tried it yet.
I
Did
couldn't
you try,
do a lot
did
of
you try
it.
the
It's
fish
not
egg
bad.
rice or not?
I did. It was disgusting.
It's disgusting. So, the one on your left is the cauliflower rice, and the one on your right is the Miracle Rice.
Miracle Rice?
It's called Miracle because those people that are on the low carb can actually have it.
That one's very good.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
But you like cauliflower, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't like
You like
cauliflower.
cauliflower? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that one. This one, the texture is a little different.
Yep.
It's like eating sponge. That one's really salty. Mm-hmm. Real salty. Mm-hmm.
That's probably his fault. His seasoning.
Probably is.
We like the cauliflower one.
Were you able to chew the other one?
It's hard to chew it. Like rubber. Yep.
Would you eat it again?
I'd eat that one again. I don't know about the other one. I'm still chewing.
All right, so I got my grandfather here, and we're gonna try Miracle Rice, which may be a little oversalted. Sorry, and some cauliflower rice. You like cauliflower?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you go first.
Which one is it?
That's the one right there on this side.
This one?
Yep.
Why are you doing them separately?
And then I'm gonna get me a scoop right here. I've had it before.
That's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good because the part for was different.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, now this other kind was completely organic. It's made from a cognac plant in Japan. You ever heard of that?
Cognac.
Cognac.
I've heard of
Yeah.
Japan.
Okay, well that's good. That was still around back when you were?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's good to know. All right, so we grab a little bit of this. Kind of looks like fish eggs.
It's not poisoned or nothing, is it?
No, it's all 100% organic. How
got a
old,
bigger bite
how
than you
old were
do.
you when your taste buds left?
16.
Oh, well, then this should be no big deal. Cheers.
That's pretty good too.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
16. Actually, I don't really mind that too much.
Did you actually chew it?
Yeah, it's sticking around a little longer, but
Yeah, it is.
I mean,
I don't think I can swallow
Like Carly said, it
It's a
affects your teeth.
it's a little salty. But
it. Can you swallow it?
yeah. Would you? If you had either one of those at a restaurant, would you?
I thought you said you liked it. I did it first.
No, that didn't. There's a little bit of aftertaste, but it's not bad. All right, so there you have it, guys. Miracle Rice Challenge. Special thanks to all the friends who were willing to let us film them testing this very unique yet texturally sound rice. The survey results, as you can see here, are quite simply nobody liked the Miracle Rice. Could be a matter of flavoring. Could be that I didn't cook it to the point where the liquid was completely dissolved. We'll try it again, and I'll let you know the results. But overall, yeah, not so much. As far as the cauliflower rice, certain people, Nate particularly really enjoyed it. He liked it. Julie thought it was okay. Tara still doesn't like cauliflower rice, she says. And Stacy's like, needs a lot more seasoning. So the same amount of seasoning was used between the regular rice, the cauliflower rice, and the Miracle Rice. So obviously the normal rice won out, but maybe the cauliflower rice could be saved. We'll try that. See if we can try that maybe in a different video. See if we can find something that, because if Dan doesn't like cauliflower rice, so if we can find something that Dan actually likes, that's a win, right? Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you joining us on this journey. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell for notifications whenever we put out a new video. You'll get an email in your inbox, assuming that you set that up through YouTube. But anyway, again, appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.